back with Drumline. I'm with Harley DeWinter, who I've known for a few years, huh?
Yeah. What is it now? 3, 4? 3 or 4, yeah, I think 2012, NAMM.
Yeah, 2012 when we started, and you were a 14-year-old prodigy. Now you're a little bit older.
Yeah, well, I'm doing this demo today. TRX Cymbals hooked me up when I'm doing a demo for this new acoustic electronic kit here.
Oh, it's a combo.
It's a combo kit, yeah.
Okay, I get it.
So all I do is I turn the key right here, and I've just turned this electronic drum into an acoustic drum right here.
Wow.
So I've been demoing this all day, every day at NAMM, a couple, half-hour demos and whatnot. So It's been really cool experience.
Okay, well, I've seen some of your other kits, and you had a Deo de los Muertos kit, which I, about a half hour ago, said I was going to steal. But I figured out why I can. You want to know why I can't steal your kit?
Why can't you steal my kit?
Well, I'd be like, I technically could, and then I would have it, and I'm sure I would call you and be like, Harley, I just got a really cool kit, and then I'd send you a picture, and then the gig would be up at that point.
Yeah, well, I'm pretty sure
it's like a dumb bank robber.
I'm pretty sure if it went missing, I'd know who did it.
Yes.
Because nobody else knows.
No, nobody else is like.
Nobody else knows where it is.
Nobody else knows where it is, but people know you had it. But I'm the only person that's gone gaga over it for 4 years. Besides you.
I go gaga over it every time I see it. I love it.
Yeah, it's something.
I pulled out the snare drum the other day, and it's like, it's just something to look at right there. I need to put that on a freaking case.
So you're a young man with a lot of drums and a lot of talent to go with those, so I guess, huh?
Yep.
You're humble, but
yeah.
Come on now.
I like to be humble,
Yeah.
but I have 4 kits now. One of them's a DW, and 3 of them are Rockets, and Rocket Drum Works. And so the Dia de los Muertos is like one of my favorites. Honestly, it's great artwork. Craig Fraser painted it.
Okay.
Absolutely beautiful.
Well, we're gonna watch you play this kit a bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna be very cool.
All right. Great. Thank you.
Thank you.